Manela, Vicky Tabaki and Matakango, Vicky Mina Kalasi Vitorongi.
Right.
Wishing you all the best and Namuni Pepper Vitorongi and Amuni Bakingo.
Okay.
To all the
Talk to this morning.
Okay.
Some of them they are very happy
Helpful.
today.
Yeah.
Helpful to us,
Right.
especially to the public transport.
Okay.
To Bentari.
Right.
And also to Sunny Boy. Thank you very much. Congratulations
Mr. Sebas.
for your family.
Right.
Not forgetting KH53.
Right.
Basime Nonda, the necessary bus who are being part of this morning.
Okay.
And also to Tinay Mateni.
Belum mereka.
To Tukana and Lawa from Bo and Lambasa.
Right.
Not forgetting na Sena Bata kita Semi.
Aha.
Tikoloboni tebita wanono bulbe na text.
Right.
Orto na geng di bulta gi mangong orto na boys may yakete may basaran
Oh,
to We are now at text free zone.
Belum mereka.
Thank you very much. Wais
Sekarang
Marusa. Thank you very much Kaiziwa
Alright.
and the family member from the pastry shop Palilebu. Monsieur Romata and also to Roja Berimbasanga Basun Madwata.
Okay.
Hector Zing Jr. And also to everybody.
Ada mereka. Dan ada mereka nandre ni tolili, nandre ni motokan, nandre ni school trip and matakan ni kuah. Na ngole ki kornivuli, nandre lagi beauty girl na leventa kitu sapayan roti ni bambula. Ve kemuni and mataka benaka ni kuah.
Good morning to Rodangango. It's Miao, Pena Salambongi.
Sobo.
The fella from Nawairuku in Ba.
Yeah.
He married to a
Nawairuku in
beautiful, yeah, Nawairuku.
Oh, okay.
He married to Bonuelebu.
Yeah.
So this one respond the message in Bonuelebu.
Yeah.
And Abuni Fiji Bita Matao 7 Sena Mada Omengo.
Warna bawa di binak Vicky Mina na iyo. Ada Vicky Tasho, ada Vicky Tasho Muni Madongo, Dorbu kena Manela.
Okay.
Nita kini na maru taki chura barau. Herbo na tabang di bito kani buli makina.
Send my regards to Mikael and Galombula Lewabutu. This is from Leo Kabika.
Leo kami ada mereka. Benda boleh besar saya betul. Kau ada lomba sudu cungkori.
All right.
Yo, always milk the machine milking.
Yeah.
Epatiko.
Yeah.
My
Lutu Nimbuka.
Belum nak benda boleh besar saya betul mai leo kabika. Ana matakan ko. Mana tentu kami sema rayawa.
Yeah.
Ana benaka kalau ngata be ngarabi do belum benaka len kor mai saolo waino no mai
Oh, meong bulare.
May Joe Arrocobesu yan rabenaka wano ni benaka tentu kami be livra lulu. Wais na rusa muto sambula benaka muto sampulare. Ko mana sidebitsa. Mai na vonole bu mai Australia.
Kita bulu televisi nga po bibini kenda tudo ko eh. Ngona ni sudu ngona da buli sa da tibu menta sa kada kina. Menta sa yapala nga ucia da tubuli dolo. Ibu tubuli mentang kasi.
Right.
Sandang kay tumbale tatamba bugi tumbale eh.
Right.
Okay. Sa uci kada we sang kay chuko na ngona mo sa vital talakin na patakin muna.
Iya.
Sana uci na ngoni ngunu sudu.
Right.
Eh?
Iya.
Alright. Eno bukun na wekan dari sing mata tabi na kavira.
Dili sa-
No di pagarungo me kalien do ngoni.
Iya.
Me kalien do ngoni. Sana bito ko na mata di sudu nina.
Iya.
Nangunu sudu. Me sana tobole me kani na kakarantina.
Dili sara.
De mesi. Bukan do takamanta non ta outs palang iso na mata ni kuwa.
Right. Nandun ang rakin yung bulak yun total.
Mananton rakin bula kinan total.
Right.
Nada ba yado kina na transition.
Transition, right.
May buhay do ngoni. Nada ba yado non bula. Bichi ko mo ngoni.
Okay.
Mugay talotak nada ba yado biko.
I'm an infant.
Iyo.
I will tell the story of my life
Right.
during the session of crawling.
Iya. One leg.
One lengor me endurun.
Ni crawling one leg.
Iya.
Uy, kung kasi.
Iya.
Iya.
Carry on.
So
Talan mo,
Yeah.
pati rin sindo boss.
Ausa na matatagyan
Yeah.
na. Beke mirangon ni sama if you joining this morning.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll be the one who will be our face.
Tapi matagal lorong na ka, pati ka na action.
Dapat nung kutal.
Nanon raba kasama, kaya non rital.
Out in the wall.
Iya.
Before, as soon as he come out,
Right.
he cry or she cry.
Alright,
Yeah.
right.
Because what?
Ba, ik mo tukun siya, we.
We.
Talo siya na bukuna.
We cry.
Iya.
So when you come out like this,
I cry.
nobody wake us.
Iya.
Nobody use anything to
Help us.
Yeah, to me bakate kikimami.
Iya.
We are the one. As soon as we come to the wall, we cry because of the pressure of this world.
Oy.
Na presa da, mata bakila to
Yeah,
kasi.
the pressure of this world.
Iya.
That's why
Yeah, we cry.
the mother take us
Yeah.
to their chest.
Ana na.
The bone because the umbilical cord
Yeah.
that connect the mother
Extension cord.
extension cord gore merimba. They connect us from the mother. They already cut. So they took us
9 months.
Oh,
for 9 months.
you too cut.
Cut.
Oh, yeah, I
Are.
thought you no cut.
You take us, you put them in there so that the body connected, that they can feel the children. That's why they never cry at us, father.
Right.
They cry only
For the
on
mother.
their mother.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Because that's a bond we need
Yeah.
during the temperature of the human
Humidity.
body.
Yeah.
In the humidity of the atmosphere, CWM hospital.
Right. and then.
So, nobody teach us how to squeeze.
Yeah.
Kami to metan matin chutu. Nobody.
Nobody.
Nobody. That's the from up.
Iya, ano na usara.
May dake.
Iya.
As soon as you put something in our mouth,
Yeah.
we
Iya.
We what?
Yeah.
Oh,
kami
okay.
sa ngunu sudu.
Iya.
Okay.
We drink the milk.
Right.
From there, we about to stand up. Like 1 to 2 months, our face does not connect
Anything.
Maka seberninde,
Right,
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
Rimo chu.
it's not yet prosper.
Oh,
yeah.
So we, then one day,
Baka matin itu.
iya baka matin to ebe laro itu.
Seberninde, yeah.
Iya. Sebe dem bag itu na mata.
Right.
Then from there we wake up.
Iya.
We started to
Stomach is empty, we cry.
we cry.
Ah.
The only way we can talk to the mama, to the papa,
Yeah.
is cry.
No.
Oi!
Yeah. If our clothes is wet,
Iya.
we cry.
Iya.
If the empty is stomach,
Stomach ya.
we cry.
Right.
If we want to bath,
Iya.
we cry.
Oi.
If we want to see the food, we cry. And if you leave us alone,
Iya.
we knew it through our connection of our body that connect to your mama,
Iya.
we cry.
The
But
Wi-Fi between mama
Right.
Yeah.
and yourself.
Yes.
He can feel it.
We can feel it.
Iya.
Yeah. When mama goes far.
If we are eating from the mama,
Yeah.
we breastfeed.
Yeah.
Baka sama tal tundar mo
You can feel it.
We can feel it.
Iya.
Oi.
Remember that, mama?
Iya.
We can feel it.
Iya.
Be promisable. Monday ta kay munya loma.
Yeah.
Kaya baka ko singa ni tiubat ka na kasama. 100%.
Right.
If you want to feed us,
Yeah.
be 100% concentrate to us.
Di na sir.
Right.
Yeah. If you are not concentrate to us,
ko nakarala ko rumuto na
yeah.
papalalay.
If you are not concentrate to us,
Yeah.
we can lose weight.
Yeah.
Di na sir.
Papa,
Yeah.
don't ever encourage mama.
Iya.
Oh, okay.
Kakun ka ba dun rin na?
Hindi na.
Encourage siya sa bimbi sir ka, sa dun bimbi.
Atau mau mas mama lagi bibi sarang
Iyo.
kau
Sa hati na dun. Hati na leba. Ngo sa ita ketali.
Encourage. Iya.
Never make mama encourage.
Oi.
Because
you will have no milk.
no milk first of all.
Yeah,
They'll
yeah.
never release the red milk.
Yeah.
And also,
Right.
yeah, never.
Iya.
Woi, the food talkative.
Yeah, the
the
food
angry
talkative. Never give mama the angry because we're gonna drink the angry dudu.
Right.
Yeah, never.
Iya.
If we grow up, we're
Yeah.
crawling,
Iya.
we need your help. We need the support.
Yeah.
Never ever.
Bill legenda. Encourage the race.
Never allow your finger. Kamu kerasas.
Iya.
Kuah.
Iya.
Wait for your turn.
What time is
Why
that
can't I
turn?
remember?
What time is that turn?
Iya.
Huh?
What time is that turn?
Their turn is no like we asked them.
Okay.
Soberan to bango.
Okay.
We will grow. We will have our own time.
Right,
Some of
yes,
them,
sir.
they
Yes,
are.
sir.
Some of us, we are moving faster.
Yeah.
Some of us, we are slow. Controller.
So you told us sometimes you hear the words that hurt you.
Yeah, we hate.
Iya, right.
Hey, we hate.
Iya.
You know,
How did you hear?
the body,
Iya.
Oh,
the inner soul,
Iya.
the inner soul.
Sometimes
Sometimes.
berhenti na spiritual bala nga.
Yeah.
Itu ya.
Never. I told you,
Yeah.
we are from up. We are not from
Down.
down.
Iya. Di na sir.
Yeah. Kaya may medake, kaya Michelle medake.
Right.
Your job, mama
Yeah,
and
support.
papa, the last day,
Yeah.
the judgment,
Yeah.
you the one who will be asked, who are you to this one?
Sino ba talo ito kaya mo mama?
Ha?
Mo tabali man mo mama.
Tawalay may mama may libungan ng ba melistima. Panangalo ba melistima ko ala ko tunta kunggu.
Okay. You have to leave the milk.
Iya.
Masakali.
Oh.
Please tell us about the kali.
This is the toughest time for us.
Yung sa rongo ito na kali. Yung sa...
Ahead.
Iya.
They will use chili.
Iya.
Uy.
If you do,
Iya.
you chili.
Oh, right.
Nganga.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
kaka.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
This is now not for you.
This is not for you. And for who?
The big question.
Why? I want to ask
Why,
you.
mommy?
Why, mommy? Why?
Yeah.
I need milk.
That's for me.
That's for me.
Yeah.
Who are you for who?
But Sunny boy, you almost 1 year old now. You have to Kali.
I'm schooling 6 years. Why you never terminate me from my milk?
Right.
This is mine.
Right.
Without me,
I left over there for who?
who? That's a question. For who?
Ano na mata. Okay. Talo ta na Kali. Nata ba ito kimni na toddler ngono sa Kali kin ngono sa.
You know it's very hurt.
Yeah.
First of all,
Yeah.
because that's the only time we will leave our parents.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mama
Di na
will
sana?
be removed away from us.
That connection will be.
Will be terminated.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we will alone. We will
Yeah.
go to auntie
Yeah.
or the brother or the papa.
Sometimes you go far.
Go far.
Yeah.
Are, they far.
Yeah.
When we call, we come back after 6 days or 1 week.
Yeah.
I want to eat again.
Yeah.
What to do?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah.
They give the why?
Yeah.
They give the chili.
Yeah.
Here, see.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, how
can't.
about if Mama give the dudu? Will you still like the dudu?
I don't know.
Test man, eh?
I can, but they don't know. That's another life.
Yeah.
You have to taste the porridge.
Have to move on.
Move on.
Yeah.
Because we weren't able to be there all along.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And be punctual
Yeah.
Right.
to your growth.
Dinasar.
Yeah.
Ngono sa kanikin nakakana buta na matiningaw na.
Right.
Nada na feeling ela ko mibigyan mo ni.
You know, it's very tough.
Not
Yeah.
to the pateta.
Yeah, it's very tough.
Right.
Because the time,
Iya.
the teeth does not full force.
Iya,
Siyempre
dinasar.
tawdo ko eh.
Iya, sabi dito nga.
Yeah, sabi ito nga.
Kalay.
That's where we use our nganro. Nanondagam.
Iya.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes we let, sometimes we, kami minto sa sami.
Iya.
We don't want to eat some dal,
Okay.
some bele.
Want to eat fish?
We want to eat fish. Some of them we don't want to fish.
Kanang bulan ni nga.
Yeah, we want
Yan pala,
another.
kusi mo talaga siguro naman eh.
Oh, laila yung buta na kusi minang nuyan ko na. Laila na kusi minang nuyan ko na. Iyo.
Uy, sadya na.
Ura na ika na kaya na may matanggali.
Baka may pateta ko ni Mama si Ma.
Eh, kung nung utang-itang yaw, nung watu-watu nung isud.
And the big question is what?
Huh?
What's the big question?
My big question is this.
Yeah.
Why they leave us?
Yeah.
That's our milk.
Yeah. That's my dairy farm.
That's my dairy farm.
Yeah.
Who will be the next landlord? Who will be the next landlord?
Terminate.
Eh, berapa lah pupunjos? Sekarang ini exciting prizes di Diwali. Ouch palangi.
Bill said dia belum nak. Mana buat cerita karwa kamu rodo don mbak.
Aso.
Oke.
Onei.
Ya, sa na sementara nei. Angga.
Kita tiwa tamay nangger mi sab-sabu ngoneleo ni watulele.
Right.
Wasu ni tonge.
Good.
Maimba.
Paur cuma bikin ni. Di balu sireli melina ada lewu. Kada mboti chiko no tunde no. Iyo sa andalo tugun din eh.
Leo na ngono kanando taratunga ba mantan rebul langone.
Iyo.
Tas ni kala rena kambula. Yer ke suka na mata ilo mani ketini tirin ngone.
Iyo.
Vitala noa. Nabi ka kita ba sa kilatu.
Iyo.
Ngo sa rambula menteli berbura. Sa ta kamir tu sa uli. Ko ngo sauti no na
No, MLN Diwang.
Modi.
Tuguno MLN Diwang, Daddy will be the next landlord.
Sangat taling guys sa mirenden guris. Maka daw buti
Mata ka di kuha Watson
Dano.
Joseph Mulevor. Ato nga to so nga ni pamadala sinro ni takawabuno ay kito sa nabitsukan ni mataka.
Right.
Mataka sa total na bi tito mo balilay.
Iya.
Ya sa nita kini